Goal setting. Maybe you've heard this quote before. It's a good one. An idea is just a dream until you write it down. Then it becomes a goal. I decided to just do a Google search and see why we should set goals. Because maybe you're asking the same kind of question. It's going to take me time to do this. And is it really that important? Should I prioritize this? On mindtools.com, I found the following information. Top-level athletes, successful business people, and achievers in all fields set goals. Setting goals gives you a long-term vision and short-term motivation. It focuses your acquisition of knowledge and helps you organize your time and resources so that you can make the most of your life. You can see from the 4 points that I have down, it does give you direction, set your path. It gives you that daily motivation. You're working towards a goal that you have set. It gives you some future focus. And once you've achieved it, you can take pride in the fact that you followed through. We're going to look at creating SMART goals. This is actually going to be your take action assignment. For your take action assignment, you're going to need to submit a short-term goal and a long-term goal that follow the SMART goal criteria. So let's have a look at what that means. So first, you need to be specific about what your goal is. You're going to mostly answer the 5 W's. Who, where, what, when, and why. Measurable. You're going to put concrete criteria down to measure your progress. You're going to make sure that your goal is attainable. What is the most important thing for you to do? Is it realistic? Do you have all the pieces in place to make your goal happen? And is it timely? When will you know that you've accomplished your goal so that you can take pride in it? We're going to look at an example. So your goal is to get a job. I hope all of you have this goal. When we break it down, specifics, find work in a small to medium-sized firm in the Sudbury area that is within commutable distance. Obviously, the person setting this goal lives within that area. Measurable. Spend 2 hours a week at the beginning of the semester conducting research to find suitable companies. I'm going to send 1 targeted application per week and conduct follow-ups with those applications. Attainable. It is important to be able to add some more related work experience to my resume. It will also allow me to develop contacts for future network. It's realistic. It will be able to fit in the time required. And timely, I need to begin my research in early January and hope to have at least 2 strong leads or opportunities by April 2019. So when you're setting your short-term goal, it very well could be completing your program. I don't know whether you will graduate in April 2019 or whether it will be April 2020. Have a look specifically for your short goal at, it can be dependent on your time frame. For short goals, I've seen people do it for 1 semester. I've seen people do it for a year to 2 years down the road, and they've done their long-term goal for 5 years. Sometimes it's just about setting an average that they want to meet and make sure that they pass all of their courses and graduate, and that's their short-term goal. And their long-term goal is really finding a job in their field and breaking that down. What does that look like? Sometimes it's going to be important to support, revisit, and revise our goals. We may have reached them and we need to reset other goals. Or maybe we need a plan B because the goals that we thought we were going to be able to reach didn't work out the way we wanted. So it's not something that is just for this assignment that you're going to do. In the future, if you want to continue to be successful, it is important to continue to goal set throughout your career. Once again, that can take us back to that career development cycle. As you work and gain experience, you're going to become more self-aware. It may lead you to doing further research to look at career transitioning into something else or changing your direction completely or finding something in a similar field that focuses more on your strengths and what you really enjoy. It's about building your brand, being consistent. What are the things that you can promote about yourself that are skills that are unique to you? And then reflecting and planning.